Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by dressing for access and safety. Wear gloves so fingerprints and cuts are minimized. Power the unit down and remove any power source because you will be working on clips and metal. Remove visible screws first. Once done, use a thin pry tool at a corner and gently separate the bezel from the chassis. You will feel resistance from tabs. Release them one at a time, not all at once, to avoid cracking the plastic or bending the frame. Once part of the bezel is free, continue clockwise and release each tab in order. This prevents stress accumulation and warped edges. If clips are stiff, apply low heat for a few seconds. This softens plastic slightly and reduces snap risk. Use a thin pick to disengage hidden clips near ports, and make sure to support the inner frame with your other hand. Keep screws and small parts in a labeled tray, so you know where each goes when you're ready to reattach the bezel. You finish by lifting the bezel straight away from the device. Do not twist, because twisting transfers stress into clips and can cause hairline cracks. Inspect every clip and the gasket adhesive. If clips are damaged, replace or reinforce them before snapping the bezel back. If a crack appears, stop and repair with plastic epoxy or a plastic welding method, then test fit multiple times. Troubleshooting tip: if the bezel won't seat, recheck for.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.